Big mistake. This could have come on YouTube. Okay. So vitamin D, which we have, is a 1900 IU. That means you can take it every day. Ideally, what the people are saying, you can take it the entire week. Just skip one day, because this is a insoluble fat. It remains in your body. It doesn't go out. Okay, so it will be utilized. It will be stored in your body. So you have to be careful in not overdosing it. So what we suggest is, before you take the vitamin D, have a vitamin D check done. It's a simple test which is done with a blood test. So next month we are going to have it. Check your vitamin D levels kahan pe hai. Because 100%, 80% of Indians are actually deficient in vitamin D because we don't take so much of sunlight. That's the only main source. So check your vitamin D. Just do a normal. Ghar pe bhi aake leke jate hain. Check your vitamin D levels and start this as soon as it launches next month. Okay. So this will be one of the best. I mean, we have already started taking every day. I don't care what I have vitamin D inside me, but we are giving 1 day break. So Sunday we will not take this. Once a day, Sunday we will take a skip. So 5-6 days a week we will do it. So don't take it 7 days, just to give it a break to the body. So absolutely beautiful launch. Nothing compared to this. What is, and Amway India is looking this one of the biggest market to happen, because India mein vitamin D ka market is 250 crore market. 250 crore market is what we have. So imagine what this can be doing. And Amway is planning to put in a stock of almost 10 lakh units at one go, because they are thinking this will run out immediately. This will run out immediately, by the way. Everyone needs this, okay? So, and by the way, this can be taken only above 18 years, not 12 years. So please don't give to the kids. Above 18 years only, okay? So this is a different launch coming in. Yeah, Wadi. That was the question, right, Rajesh? Was there anything else?
I think it is available. Still, it is showing to us.
No, you cannot add to the. You cannot.
Okay,
place
that I have not checked, but it was there available.
It will be available only for platinums. It will not allow you to place.
Okay.
Yeah, Wadi.
Yeah, just wanted to understand a bit more on the on our Chyawanprash that we have. You know, how it is different from the Ayurvedic Chyawanprash that we have in the market. Not like we have these different strong brands which people are so loyal to. So, what is the difference?
So I can tell you only in one line. Wadi is the one with Nutralite is, first of all, it is branded 84-year-old Nutralite organization, so there is no doubt. Secondly, it is not that Nutralite came into the market or kal raat ko socha aur aaj raat ko banaya. They have been doing this work since last 4 years in India, working on it. And one of the USP of the Chyawanprash which you get from Nutralite is it has got 16 organic ingredients. 16 organic ingredients, and there is no Chyawanprash in the market which has that. However good they say they have, you check the ingredient, there are no Chyawanprash in the market which will tell they have 16 organic ingredients in the market. And we don't want to comment on what the XYZ brand do and all, because there are so many informations which has come out. So let's not keep that, because this will go on YouTube for people. If someone wants to ask some more questions so that we can post it on YouTube, people can learn from this. Abdi Ali, if you have some questions while traveling, you can obviously ask. Prashant.
Kishore.
Yes.
Connected to that Chyawanprash, I just wanted to ask, is it diabetes friendly?
Okay, so ideally, a diabetic cannot take it because it has got sugar. So
yeah.
After checking with your doctor, we would say you should give it, because this Chyawanprash has got sugar in it. So we would not suggest it. Though you can take a risk, but it depends on the person. If they are comfortable, then only give it ahead.
So they can take instead of taking 1 spoon, they can take half a spoon or something.
It's suggested 1 spoon a day only, Benjamin.
Okay.
Chyawanprash is 1 spoon a day only.
For diabetic, I'm talking.
Even for normal person, it is 1 spoon a day. So
yeah.
I don't know. We have to really check on that. Okay, we will speak maybe at the Dream Weekend. We will take some more information from doctors and come back to you. But ideally, as per Amway, you have to check with the doctors before taking it.
Kishore, sorry.
Yeah, Benjamin, you have any question?
questions, but there was one of my friend who had started with Madhunashini's full set, and I had informed him everything that he has to continue with his doctor's medicine, and along with that he has to take this. But unfortunately, he stopped doctor's medicines and only was taking Madhunashini. And last month his blood sugar shot up high, his diabetic went high, and he stopped taking calls from me. And day before yesterday, I spoke to him. I said, at least call me. I want to speak to you. So that is the time he told me that. Then I asked him what happened. What was how he manage this whole thing? So he told me that he had done this kind of thing. Then I told him that the medicines are not to be stopped. It has to be along with that, and it will work on your pancreas directly. Once that happens, and you have to go for regular checkup. So this is just information that people may get. So I'm asking.
Yes. So that is what I cleared. You cannot stop the regular medication. Do not do that. These supplements work as an added source that can give you food to better your situation and reduce the medication simultaneously. So anyone, if you have a customer, please tell them not to reduce the medication, because that has to be taken by them. Otherwise, it will create a problem. But good point. Yeah, Vijay raised hands. I think Abdali also has. Anyone can take it. Yeah, Vijay.
Yeah, so regarding Chyawanprash only,
Your voice is cracking.
45.
Voice is
Okay.
cracking.
Yeah, you can hear me now?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll check my audio. Just tell Abdi Ali to take
Yeah.
his question.
No, it is
Okay.
correct now. Yeah, Abde.
So again, I mean, Chyawanprash is going on. So Chyawanprash is basically also an immunity booster, right? For your bowel movements and all that. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes.
So we say for basic immunity, you're supposed to take your plant protein, your Salmon Omega, daily multivitamin also, right? So how is the Chyawanprash different from these three basic products? Or nothing which is better, but how is it different?
So, Abde, what Protein Daily and Salmon does is builds your required amount of supplementation which is required, and overall helps you to develop your immunity on a longer run. For example,
Okay.
if there is an immediate requirement of immunity, Protein Daily and Salmon Omega will not give it immediately. It will take time to generate it. But let's say if you want an immediate dose of immunity, that means you should go for Echinacea, Vitamin C, Tulsi, Vasaka, and Chyawanprash. So these are families where it helps you to get that instant dose of immunity by giving, the support. So individually the products work. Like Protein Daily, Salmon, we have seen overall jabi for a long term logo ne use kiya hai, it has helped on a long term. But for someone who requires it immediately, we need to go on the immunity range. So that's why these families help.
So, but only Chyawanprash, like if say somebody is asking for Chyawanprash's benefits, not with other supplements, what is that benefit or benefits?
So Chyawanprash has got typically all the jadi booty, Ayurvedic jadi booty, that are the 16 organic ingredients. So for example, I have someone, if I want to promote an immunity, I will first say to take vitamin C. That's the most important one. Tulsi, Vasaka, these three are the most important ones. But if someone says, nahi, mere ko na Chyawanprash, like there is, I think, Roderick's friend who wants to go on the Chyawanprash. He's fan of Chyawanprash. So we will say, boss, if you're really looking at the immunity, you need to have vitamin C, Tulsi and Vasaka. But nahi, mere ko sirf Chyawanprash lena, then we say that. Because Chyawanprash is known as a product which all Indian houses have heard. It is that jadi booty type ka immunity. So if you ask me, will it give you complete immunity? I would say no. You need vitamin C, Tulsi, Vasaka also. But then if someone is saying, no, I have no budget for that, I'll take the Chyawanprash, you have to mention it clearly that for overall immunity, you would need vitamin C, Tulsi and Vasaka plus Chyawanprash. Then it is up to them what to decide.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Even Chyawanprash and Vasaka included. Organic Vasaka is also included in Chyawanprash.
Yeah, but the quantity is very less, Rajesh. Very, very less. So जो भी उसमें है, they are in very small proportion. So people like having Chyawanprash, but like people are fan. I don't know how they are fan of it, but they love it. So it is the taste what matters.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
Vijay,
Kishore, yeah,
Yeah, Vijay. Huh.
yes. So I was asking that if someone is on BK45 and he also has taken Chyawanprash, so it is okay to take it because as you mentioned, it has a sugar in it.
Yeah.
And
I
we
mean,
are reducing sugar and
this is
carbs.
interesting. This is interesting question, but the amount of Chyawanprash what you take is very less. If you see it, it is mentioned it is 1 teaspoon, not even tablespoon, or it is 1 tablespoon. Something is written, but that doesn't amount of too much of sugar in that. You can check the sugar content in that, but it is comparatively, I think, एक चाय अगर वो लोग लेते हैं, I mean, that also has got sugar if they're adding sugar. So you can always tell that if you're having this, it's fine, but manage some other source of sugar. So you reduce the other source of sugar for them. Like for example, I take it in the evening because I feel that I'm feeling some थोड़ा सा भूख लग रहा है तो मैं च्यवनप्राश खाता हूँ because it takes my मेरा भूख next 2 hours के लिए मिटा देता. That taste remains in the mouth. So I do that way. I take excess energy drink is the same reason. It kills my hunger for the next 3 hours. What I like it, but I drink it smartly because I want to kill that evening का भूख जब भी लगता है ना, इसके लिए मैं evening में लेता हूँ. So I have that. That is how I use it. So you can tell them if they're taking that, maybe remove chai from their program or something like that, so that balance the sugar.
Yeah.
Not much of a sugar though, but diabetic वाले को वो थोड़ा issue हो जाता है. इसके लिए we are saying to check. I think when we ask Dr. Girish Nair, will say no problem, he will say. But I just want to check with him when we meet at the Dream Weekend. उसके बाद ही confirm होगा.
Okay.
Yes. Prashant. Yeah, Prashant.
I think I have seen that on Chyawanprash. It is a natural sugar. So there is a huge difference between natural sugar and refined sugar. Because refined is sugar, if they are adding other brand Chyawanprash, then it is chemically processed. So I think it should not harm, because diabetic patient also the stevia or something type, they consume that type of sugar.
I think Prashant, you also are diabetic, right?
Yeah. But a small quantity, one
So that's a good point what Prashant is mentioning. The reason I'm telling you to be careful is because Amway is saying no. So we will still check with our doctors, but like what point Prashant is mentioning is correct, that it is a natural sugar, but end of the day, sugar is sugar. We have to just see how it works. Processed sugar is actually killer. We cannot think about it. But yes, now take a decision based on what situation they are in. So we don't want any complications to come. But otherwise, no issues at all. Small quantities, absolutely okay. But still, I will have a double check and then come back.
Kishore, one more question. Difference between whey protein and plant protein, because most of the people ask me, क्या है मतलब whey protein का है तो plant protein क्यों नहीं ले सकते, मतलब ऐसा कुछ है. So what is the difference between?
Okay, so whey protein, as everyone knows who has been into gymming or exercising, it is made from a milk source. So for example, some people are lactose intolerant. They cannot take dairy products. For them, we should only give the plant protein. They cannot go with the whey protein. But for someone who is like okay with milk and all, milk products and all, whey protein is absolutely good. Though whey protein will have some carbs compared to plant protein, it should be like, for example, if someone is exercising, like when I exercise, I work out, I take whey protein. I otherwise also take, but I make sure that I burn it out. So whey protein can be used as a muscle building and also can put on weight. So where there is a person who is saying, "अरे मुझे weight put on करना है," तो तभी हम लोग whey protein suggest करते हैं instead of plant protein, and we add the other supplements. So it has to be balanced properly. For example, I take 1 scoop of whey protein in the morning. I take 2 or 3 scoops of plant protein in the evening. So you can balance it, because I like to take that. It is completely based on what, but there is one thing about our whey protein कि वो पहले से digested है. So जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको जाके वर्कआउट करना पड़ेगा. So normally जो whey protein बाहर मिलता है, उसमें वर्कआउट करना जरूरी है, burn करना जरूरी है. This can be taken even by an 80-year-old who is not even working out. So no problem giving it to your parents also, because it's pre-digested whey protein compared to what we get in the market. which has to be digested after working out. That's why it becomes compulsory for those whey protein to get workouts done. Apna case mein wo nahi.
Okay, but the results are same as they are working out, right?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, Prashant.
Actually, this during COVID period, one of my family friend suggested one doctor to me. To visit for immunity or some COVID treatment or something. So that doctor is good or something, they said. So we visited there. So we just see that he prescribed a multivitamin only. So do this all type of doctors, other also they prescribe, because I have heard also some my friends are saying that you eat vitamin C, and also these doctors prescribe specifically.
So multivitamin, Prashant, every doctor suggests.
Okay.
Not only in COVID, normally भी रहेगा ना, बहुत सारा multivitamin लिख के देते हैं. यही problem है कि हम लोग कभी prescription पढ़ते नहीं.
Yeah.
जो देते हैं हम लोग सिर्फ गोली खा लेते हैं. हम लोग सिर्फ देखते हैं dosage क्या है. We don't read what they are given. Many times you will end up seeing that अरे ये सब तो Nutralite में भी है.
Yeah.
B complex we have that, natural B में है. Vitamin C की गोलियां देते हैं, we have that. Iron folic की गोलियां, we have that also. Hemoglobin के लिए is useful. So many times like glucosamine, किसी ने अगर joint pains के लिए दिया, वो भी glucosamine sulfate ही देता है. We already have that. So what I'm trying to, but only thing is, why I'm telling you is dosage requirement is very important. For example, अगर glucosamine का बड़ा और vitamin D का बड़ा shot चाहिए, then we can't rely on our vitamin D because this is slow. Supplementation are not given like a force. It is given in slow method. So it can take time to give results. So many times you will see in multivitamin doctors suggest. It's a normal medicine which anyone will give. So
like the doctor had given me multivitamins for COVID, along with the COVID medicines. I asked him, I already have multivitamins. So he told me to, not to take his and you take yours, like either or. So I chose to take our multivitamins instead of what he suggested.
Yes, same thing happened with me also. He gave me that synthetic multivitamin, but I throw that in the dustbin because I already have that particular daily tablets. So I just literally throw that in the dustbin because it was no use for us.
And also, Prashant, just to add one more thing, in case there is something like multivitamin, अगर doctor लिख के देते हैं, कभी ऐसा हुआ situation, so you can take 2 of our daily. अपना जो daily tablets है, you can take 2, no problem. So instead of 1, you can actually increase it to 2 because उसका जो contents है वो बहुत कम रहता है. So you can actually double the dosage till the time you recover, and then you can come back to 1 tablet a day. Okay. Yeah, Rajesh.
Since I have another question, but since we are discussing about the whey protein, I have one basic understanding question. In the whey protein box, it has mentioned कि आप दूध के साथ भी ले सकते हो. But just एक thinking है कि it's a pre-digested. Whey protein के benefit है कि within 45 minutes I will get the protein to my blood. Whereas if मैं दूध के साथ mix up करता हूँ, दूध is not pre-digested. So I am slowing down that process. तो ideally हम दूध के साथ लेना चाहिए या water के साथ लेना चाहिए?
Best is to take it in water. See, there are certain requirements which Amway has to follow. When they, like for example, the kids supplementation, you cannot give below 5 years, but you can give it to a 2-year-old also, and we are given it also. So the point is certain things have to be followed as per the rules of FDA. So whey protein is generally told to be taken in water. This is how normally people say, but it is a general understanding, like what you said rightly, that was the point, that pre-digested whey protein. Best way to take it is in water. The best way to take it is in water. So I think I would not suggest a person to take it in whey, in milk, because I'm adding carbs in that. Yes. Unwanted fat we are adding. So best is to go ahead with the normal water.
Achha. And my actual question is about fiber.
Okay.
Fiber, I am promoting very good, but still I have personally I have doubts, because if I see even in the Nutralite, the training session also, we have soluble and insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber has so many good things, but still, whereas in Amway we have soluble fiber. इस soluble fiber में benefits क्या है?
So the best part is, first thing, your soluble fiber will help the digestive process better compared to insoluble one, because insoluble में gum होता है which binds it. So insoluble में अगर हम लोग देखते हैं, उसका major काम है आपको constipation से release करना. Okay. Now the main thing is when you have our fiber, it works as a nutrient for your body and not just as a constipation का solution. मार्केट में जितने भी फाइबर मिलते हैं जैसे इसबगुल है, these are all known to that constipation issue stop करने के लिए, but in our case it is more to become as a nutrient which is required for your body and just not for that. That is also happening in our fiber. That's why water soluble fibers are much better than fat soluble fiber. So they both have their own advantages, but I would rather prefer something which is a nutrient for my body and not just something which is focusing on constipation issues. So our fiber is much better. So अगर किसी को majorly, for example, issue है constipation का, maybe the fat soluble fiber will give instant result. Water soluble fiber, on the other hand, will give results, but takes time, but also gives you nutrient which is required for your body. That's the work it does. And in fact, our fiber can even help in maintaining blood sugar levels also. So it is good. So we are 12:20. I think we'll have to end. If there is any question, we can take it. I think we had a good discussion. Rajesh has any more questions? और वो पहले का हाथ है?
नहीं, पहले का हाथ है.
I think this was a good session today, guys.
Yes.
Give me feedbacks on this later on, and next time you can have more. Yes, Banaja.
हाँ, मैं किसी को सजेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ हमारा मल्टीविटामिन जो डेली है, तो वो ऑलरेडी 20 साल से डायबिटिक है और मल्टीविटामिन ले रही है, तो मैं वो उसके साथ ये लेगी कि उसको छोड़ के यही लेगी?
तब आप उसको अपना मधुनाशिनी देने का सोच रहे हैं बनाजा?
नहीं, डेली जो है आपका मल्टीविटामिन.
और वो खुद ऑलरेडी मल्टीविटामिन ले रही हैं, आप बोल रहे हैं?
हाँ, ले रही है, वो जैसे डॉक्टर के प्रिस्क्राइब वो
बाहर का मल्टीविटामिन.
तो मेरा कहना ये रहेगा बनाजा, ओवरडोज हो सकता है अगर आप दोनों देंगे, तो उनको या तो उसको रोकने बोलो और इसको चालू करने बोलो.
हाँ, नहीं, मैं क्या बोलूँ वही आपसे पूछ रही हूँ. जैसे आप मधुनाशिनी बोल रहे हो कि डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब मेडिसिन के साथ लो, तो डेली का क्या है?
मल्टीविटामिन जनरली जो मार्केट से दिया जाता है बहुत ज्यादा डोसेज रहता है बनाजा.
ओके.
तो अपना जो मल्टीविटामिन है दैट वर्क्स नाइसली, तो आप उनको बोल सकते हैं कि नेचुरल सोर्स मल्टीविटामिन लो और उसको रोक सकते हैं.
नहीं, ये तो कन्विंस्ड है, वो ये वाला लेंगी, लेकिन उसके बाद वो जो लेती है उसको स्टॉप कर देंगे ना?
आराम से, कोई इशू नहीं है. बट जहाँ पे मैं मधुनाशिनी या ग्लूकोसामाइन का क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, वहां पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड है. अंडरस्टैंड? जो डेली मल्टीविटामिन जो मार्केट से देते हैं सिर्फ आपको एज अ सजेस्टेड सपोर्ट के लिए दिया जाता है, उसके लिए कोई बीमारी नहीं होती. मल्टीविटामिन बीमारी के लिए नहीं दे रहे, ओवरऑल आपकी तबीयत अच्छी रहे करके. तो रादर देन पुटिंग केमिकल्स, मैं चाहूंगा कि मैं नेचुरल सप्लीमेंट डालूं, तो मैं अपना मल्टीविटामिन लूंगा. और बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स यही बोलेंगे पैसा है तो न्यूट्रोलाइट ले लो, कॉस्टली है और अच्छा है, बट कोई बीमारी से एसोसिएटेड है, लाइक डायबिटीज है या ब्लड प्रेशर का गोली चल रहा है, उसको हम लोग रोकने नहीं बोलेंगे, बिकॉज वहां पे बीमारी या डिसऑर्डर अटैच्ड, तो उसको चालू रखें और इसको साइमल्टेनियसली ऐड करें, कोई इशू नहीं. यू कैन रिप्लेस इट, उनकी इच्छा है तो रिप्लेस करो. Yeah, Prashant. I think we'll take last one or two. Yeah.
Actually, I'm diabetic patient, so I'm having 1000 mg. So metformin, like that, some medicines they give us. So if I'm continuing with the Madhunashini, so what will happen? Madhunashini will show its effect. So naturally, actually, ये जो diabetic patients होते हैं, they have to do the blood test. तो suppose Madhunashini का effect immediately तो नहीं होता है, slowly होता है. So what will happen, like next time मैं जब भी 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, I do that blood test, no? So Madhunashini will show its effect. So naturally मैं जब भी डॉक्टर के पास जाऊंगा, मेरा ब्लड टेस्ट करूंगा, तो 1000 mg जो मैं लेता रहूंगा, तो डॉक्टर विल सजेस्ट दैट कि यू रिड्यूस टू द 500 mg. एंड देन अगेन मधुनाशिनी का इफेक्ट जैसे जैसे होते रहेगा, तो जो डायबिटीज का जो ये जो सिंथेटिक दवा मेडिसिन वी आर टेकिंग, वो उसका स्ट्रेंथ अपने आप को डॉक्टर विल सजेस्ट दैट. तो दोनों, आई थिंक मेरा सजेशन ये है कि मधुनाशिनी और जो भी 1000 mg और व्हाटएवर बी द mg दे आर हैविंग, let them continue, और blood test करेंगे तो उनको they will come to know that, और doctor
Correct.
will then suggest कि
Right,
कैसा
right.
करना है, क्या करना.
Same thing what I explained is when we have any issues like this, you continue your doctor's medication, but when you add the natural supplementation, your values start getting better और medication कम होना चालू होता है. This has been many cases, right? 1000 से लोग 500 में आ गए हैं और फिर वो control में रहते हैं. तो normally there are many cases where medication has gone down. So that's exactly what I said. Good point, Prashant. I think we are done because अगर ये चाय पे चर्चा ऐसे चलता रहेगा तो लंच का टाइम हो जाएगा. So
लंच पे चर्चा हो जाएगा.
but I think we had a good discussion. Can we request everyone to be on video for once, because this goes to Stefan. This will go to Stefan. So give me just 1 minute. मैं पहले remove pin करता हूँ. Yes. Can everyone, Banaja, can you be on video? Hi Ajay. संदीप वीडियो पे.
दिशांत निकल गया.
कौन?
दिशांत निकल गया बोला फोटो के टाइम.
उसका कोई दूसरा काम चालू है.
आप फोटो ले लो, मेरा नेटवर्क चला जाएगा. The most precious photo will not come in the photo then.
Yeah. Just give a big smile. Done. Good guys. Let's plan to do this later on.
Thank you.
Yes. Be safe, Abde. When you come back, just call me.
Yeah. That is, I know it's due. I'll call you once I reach and freshen up. Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
Adi. Thank you, Kishore.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Umesh. Bye.
नाही बोला नाही तुला नाही.
Hi, Kavya.